What can turn a horrible day into a better one? Temu. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, my Temu haul came in, and this is a sponsorship. What I'm getting ready to show you has been sponsored by Temu, so thank you so much, Temu, for partnering with me, for sponsoring me. And everything that I will be showing you here will be linked down in my description box below. There will be coupon codes also. And with Temu, there's a very special coupon code if you have never used Temu before, if you have never downloaded their app, ordered anything through them, with my coupon code, and I will put the link here and then the coupon code here. But with that particular code, I believe it's 30% off your first order, and it's free shipping, and then you will be given, like, it's a $100 coupon bundle. The bundle, I think, if you spend so much, then you get so much off. But anyway, it's like a $100 coupon bundle. So if you're a first time user, you get the 30% off, the coupon bundle, free shipping. So anyway, it's a very good deal, I think. Anyway, I would like to have 30% off. So I will go ahead and shut up blabbing, and let's go ahead and get started into this video and see what my Temu haul is. Make sure I don't actually cut my stuff. Now, majority of this is going to be like outside gardening stuff. I think I might have a few household items in here, but majority of this, because you know I like to do the container gardening, and a lot of this will kind of help with that aspect. So anyway, now this is an Easter flag, so it'll go outside at Easter time. It's really pretty. It's like one of those small flags. That is really pretty. But I love that it's got the Easter lilies. He has risen the cross. Beautiful colors. I guess my camera's kind of capturing how pretty it is, but that is beautiful. It's very vibrant, and it's a thick material too. So that is beautiful. Oh, I wanted one of these for a couple of years now. I just haven't bought one. But 2 years ago, I believe it was. I'm trying to think. I don't think I was doing this at that time. I don't believe I was. And I didn't do it last year. But I had seen where you can take like a garbage bag or some kind of, well, not necessarily a garbage bag. I was afraid of a garbage bag. But you can take like a food grade bag or something, plastic, and put it into or even paper, and put it into like a laundry basket. Like just the little handheld round laundry baskets, or even the big tall. The big tall would be better, but the big tall like laundry hamper, if you can get that. But what you do, you put your potatoes in there, and then they grow in that instead of, you know, trying to dig up your ground. If you don't have, you know, if you don't have a ground, I wish I did have a big bunch of ground to do like a full garden, but I don't. But this will allow you to grow potatoes, and quite a bit. The year before last, I think I done white potatoes, I done red potatoes, and I don't know if I done roasted or not, but it seems like I had 2 or 3 varieties of potatoes, and I had quite a bit. Now some were pretty big, some were little, but for the little basket I had them in, I was well pleased. But anyway, with all that being said, this is kind of like that, but with this, I think this was 5 gallon, I believe. I will double check. Well, it'll be in the description box. Everything I'm showing you will be in the description box. But I think this was 5 gallon. And you put your dirt in here, you plant your potatoes or onions, anything that is like a root vegetable, your carrots, potatoes, onions, radishes, you know, that type of thing. Anything that's a root vegetable, you plant in here. And it's kind of cool. It's sort of see-through, so that way you can see when they're growing. And then it has this little flip lid, or flip, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if you call it lid. Well, I guess it'd be a lid. But anyway, the flap is probably what it is. A flip flap. If I can get it open. But anyway, you pull that Velcro up, and then you can grab out some of your potatoes without dumping the whole thing. So you could just harvest out a few at a time, you know, if you wanted to, instead of trying to harvest all at once. So I thought that was really cool. So anyway, I've got one of those. Oh, this, I'm telling you all what, we unplugged our water hose to our water spigot. Last year we accidentally left it hooked up, but thank God nothing happened. But this year, even though there's not, to our knowledge, any water dripping, when it got extremely cold here, like zero, wind temperature was below zero, I looked out and we had like a big old icicle coming out of the water spigot. I don't know why, but this is a cover for a water spigot. And it just has the Velcro, that way you can tighten it up. But you just put it around your water spigot and it helps to keep it insulated so it doesn't freeze. So anyway, that's cool. Oh, okay. I forgot what this was. This is, you put it on your ground. I know sometimes I like to mix dirt. I like to take my soil and mix it with just some additives like fertilizer, well, I'm going blank right at the moment. Anyway, I like to mix up my dirt. And so this is a pad, and you can also snap it together and it makes like a little rectangle, but you snap it like right there. Sorry, Benjamin. I think I just scared him. But see, it makes like a little, almost boat type rectangle thing. But you put that on your ground and you can either have it up or down. And you can put your dirt in there. So if you're mixing dirt, or if you're just wanting to try to have your little pot and put some of your dirt in your pot or whatever, if you're doing transfers, whatever, this helps to keep your driveway or wherever you're using your dirt at, it helps to keep it contained. And I think this would be good. I know last year I was trying to mix some dirt and I think I had it on a garbage bag or something, but that will be a lot better. Oh, this is a zester, but it's like a lemon zester or lime. You can zest and get like some of the peelings, like the very, you know what zest is. So that can do like orange zest, lemon, lime, whatever, your citrus fruits, but that's a zester. I've wanted one of those for a while now. Oh, yes, you put those little sponges on this wand and it helps you scrub like your tub, like your walls of your shower. You just put it on like that, and then it's got the scrubby pad, and then so you can just scrub like your shower. It's got 3 extra pads. That makes 4. You put oil in it, or like a flavored oil, and it's got these little brushy things. And then like if you've got a pan of chicken or something, you want to put some flavor in or some oil or something on it, and it's fried on the one side, you just rub it on the other side, and you can add you some oil or something to whatever your meat that you're cooking. And this, I'm really anxious to see how this works. You put your oil in here, like your olive oil or whatever kind of oil that you prefer, and it's supposed to spray. So that way, that would work a lot better probably than those aerosol cans to spray oil on like your pan or whatever. And it is glass. Then finally, from this haul, I'm really looking forward to using this. If any of y'all have watched my container videos, you see how I have, how I go and I water. Well, this thing, I don't know exactly how long I have to go. Well, like I said, I'll link it and it'll tell you how long it is. It's wrapped up, and I don't really want to use these. These are my kitchen scissors. I don't want to use those to cut these. I was fine with the paper, but anyway. You hook this up to your water spigot, then it's got, I think it's 10 of these little spikes, I guess you call it. And so you put the spike in your dirt in your pot and it waters. So it'll be watering 10 different, I think it's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's 10. So you'll be watering 10 pots of of whatever at one time. So this will actually be very beneficial to me when I do start my container garden, which I've got to get on. But when I want to start planting seeds, I should say. I mean, it's February, so I really should have got started last month, but I need to get on some seeds. But then when I actually plant my plants to take them outside, that'll probably closer to around May, probably April, May, probably May though. But this will be coming so in handy whenever I have my pots back out down there and I'm trying to water. So, all right, that is all for the haul. Then I will show you a couple of things that I bought on my own somewhere. And Temu's all the time, even if you have downloaded their app before and used them, you won't be eligible for the 30% discount. But all the time, if you go and you look every day or every other day or whatever, a lot of times you'll get just a coupon for 1 or 2 items, and they'll go ahead and send you that. And you just order a couple items and it's free shipping, and you can get deals that way. And I did with this was a special, and I ordered this, and I think my daughter's watch band, but I don't have it, she's wearing it, but it's just, and she's got an Apple Watch, and it's a band for that, and it's a Valentine. It's got hearts and little flowers and stuff on it, but I ordered this with it, and this is so cool. It's like a roller, and it just rolls, and you just go whoop on your dough, and it makes it little for like little hot pockets or little desserts or whatever. But it makes those oval shapes. You just flatten your dough out, roll your dough out, and then, you know, so that way instead of using like just a cookie cutter or a cutter for dumplings, instead of doing one at a time, you just roll this up, and it makes, now they're not huge. They would be like for more of a small, probably more like a dessert item, or a small hand pie for like chicken or whatever. But it'd be a lot easier because you just, you know, and then there you go. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm anxious to use this. And then, like I said, I bought her watch band. And then this order, I forget how much I'd got off on it now. But I'll still link all of this in the description box below. But this, if you are into sublimation and into sublimating cups, this is supposed to go around like your cup, and the paper, because you know you have to wrap that paper really tight around that sublimation cup. But this is supposed to help hold that paper tight around the cup until you get your tape on it and tape it up really good. So I'm excited to use that. And then finally, my last thing is, I've been wanting to make some of these for a while. This is the middle size, and it is, well no, it says it's the small. I thought I got the medium one. Anyway, it's 16 inch. This is a bowl cozy, if you know what I'm talking about. It's the little cloth thing, you put it like around a bowl and put it in a microwave, and then you can handle it a lot easier instead of having to grab a towel or a pot holder or something. You just, and the way that you have to make these, it's all 100% cotton. That way it can go into the microwave and not, you know, catch fire. So everything has to be cotton. But this is the template to make one of those bow cozies. So that's kind of exciting. So I appreciate if you do like anything and you do go through my link and you order something, then I really do appreciate you. I want to thank Temu again for being a wonderful sponsor and supporting this channel and being a partner with me. So if you have any questions, then obviously leave it down in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you do. I've got a lot of different things. If you'll see, if you haven't ever seen my videos before, then if you go, you'll see I do a lot of cooking, I do some gardening, I do all kinds of stuff. So it's my crazy creative life. So anyway, I hope you subscribe and become a part of this crazy family, and that's it. Yeah. Now, you want my sob story? If you don't want to hear my sob story, then I'll talk to you in the next one. If you do, then I will start crying. Here we go. This has been a horrible day. I was on my way to the dentist, which I didn't get to make, but I was on my way to the dentist, and my daughter needed me to drop off a folder she had forgot at home. So I knew I had just enough time to probably run down that road real quick and drop off her folder and then run up and go to my dentist, because they were fairly close. So I thought I had enough time to do that. Well, I guess because I was rushing and the way that I was turning in, which I've kind of hit it before, but it's never, anything that's ever happened. Well, this morning I just happened to hit it right in the right spot apparently, and I busted my tire. Thank God there was like a little place up from where I busted my tire at, and I was still able to drive my car into that parking lot. So I sit there and of course boo-hooed, and then I called my mom, and she and I were talking, and she was waiting to talk to my dad, and then I was calling different places to try to find out a tire, you know, how much tires were or how much a tow bill would cost and this and that. So she come pick me up, brought me back home, and then I'm waiting on my dad to come and pick me back up from my house, and he's going to take the tire off. We're going to take it to wherever and get a new tire put on it, and then he's going to put the tire back on there for me. And that's been my horrible day. But then I come home and I'm sitting there waiting on him, and then my Temu order comes in, so I thought, well, that kind of helps a little bit, relieve a little bit of this stress. And then I always love getting on here talking to you guys, so y'all always make me feel better. So I'm coming on here and just trying to get some support from you all. So this is kind of outside of the Temu video. So anyway, if you have stayed and listened to my sob story and me boo-hooing, then I thank you so much. And I guess that's it for this video. So I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for listening to me. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.